Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-42 Sanitation Systems license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-42 contractor license? A C-42 license is issued to a contractor who fabricates and installs cesspools, septic tanks, storm drains, and other sewage disposal and drain structures. There are some basic requirements. You have to be at least 18 years of age, have a valid driver's license or a state ID, have a social security number, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements to be a C-42 contractor. Having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, such as the other licensed contractor, your employer, supervisor, or business associate. Now let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. The exam is a closed book. There are no reference materials allowed to be brought in, so no books, no notes, nothing can be brought into the testing facility. The test is set up in multiple choice questions, A, B, C, D format. There are going to be some mathematical computations, and a calculator will be provided to you. The testing is done on site, and the results will be immediate. The exam is broken down into 5 major sections, with planning and estimating covering about 27% of the questions. New septic system installation, 26%, sewer lateral installation and repair, 10%, septic system maintenance and repair, 10%, and safety questions are covering about 27% of the exam. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the Sanitation Systems exam. Which public agency issues permits for vacuum trucks? D, the Department of Public Health. How many 4-inch by 4-inch blocks are needed to line a 20-foot seepage pit using 14 blocks per row? C, 840 blocks. And number 3, how does clay soil affect the surface area of seepage pits? If you guess D, deeper or more pits might need to be installed. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.